Hello and welcome. The concept of motivation. So we all know that motivation is a reason that causes people to act in so many ways, whether in group activities at workplace or in order to achieve their personal goal in life. For example, a student may invest more efforts and learning in order to achieve certain goals. So what motivates him to invest energy, time, and efforts in learning is the reward she wants to achieve. So, what is motivation? Motivation is a strength and a willingness of a person to take persistent and intense efforts to achieve desired goals or rewards. To put it in another definition, motivation means the state of force that causes people to behave in certain ways. According to Fred Lutens, motivation is a process that starts with physiological or psychological efficiency or needs that activate behavior or a drive that is aimed at a goals or incentives. Motivation is a driving force that causes people to act, whether in work, learning, or life activities. According to Encyclopedia of Management, motivation is the willingness to exert higher level of effort toward organizational goals, conditioned by his efforts ability to satisfy some individual needs. Motivation theories. Motivation theories is grouped into two parts: content theories and the process theories. Content theories. These theories focus on what motivates individual, that is, the specific needs or goals that cause behavior. What motivates? Examples: Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Herzberg two-factor theory, hygiene theory, and motivating factors. Ames Leland, Serenity theory, Aldafa, ERG theory. Process theories. This focus on how motivation occurs, the processes through which people make choices and behave. How motivation works. Victor Vurum expectancy theory, Adam equity theory, Locke's goal setting theory, and Skinner reinforcement theory. The content theories aim at what motivates behavior, while the process theories aim at how motivation works in a human behavior. Nature of motivations. Based on motive. Motivation is based on motive because the goals that an individual wants to achieve, it must be clear and must have a motive. Goal directed behavior. Motivation always lead to purposeful actions related to satisfactions. Motivation is related to satisfaction because the goals that individual achieve must satisfy his needs and wants. Motivation can be intrinsic or extrinsic, internal, related to satisfaction, or externals, money, rewards, etc. Characteristic of motivation. Motivation can be positive or negative. Rewards versus fear of punishment. It is a continuous process. Motivation is a continuous process. Satisfaction of one need lead to another. For example, if an individual achieve one need, it will lead him to want to achieve another need. This will encourage him and motivate him to put more efforts in achieving another need that is bigger than the needs he achieved before. Importance of motivations: increase productivity and performance. Beliefs: a person will believe in himself. Personal goals: improve efficiency, development, reduce employee turnover and absenteeism, help in self-discipline of individuals, put more resources into actions.